Hey everyone, if you want to use Rclone with Google Drive for file transfers, backups, synchronization, or cloud storage management, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Rclone is already installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, complete the installation process before continuing. Next, open a terminal or command prompt window and launch the Rclone configuration wizard. When the configuration menu appears, choose the option to create a new remote. Rclone will ask you to provide a name for the remote. Enter a descriptive name such as Google Drive or My Drive and continue. After naming the remote, you'll see a list of supported cloud storage providers. Select Google Drive from the list. Rclone will then begin the Google Drive setup process. For most users, the default settings work well, so you can accept the recommended options unless you have specific requirements. Next, Rclone will ask how you want to authenticate. In most cases, you can use the built-in authentication method. Rclone will open a browser window and direct you to Google's sign-in page. Log in to the Google account you want to connect and review the requested permissions carefully. Click Allow to grant Rclone access to your Google Drive account. And that's how to connect Google Drive to Rclone in 2026. With proper configuration and authentication, Rclone provides a powerful way to manage and automate your Google Drive storage directly from the command line. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.